Selecting files or folders. While working with files and folders, the very first step is to select the particular file or folder you want to work with. The selected file or folder appears highlighted on your screen. To select file or folder, follow these steps. Step 1.
Locate and open the folder containing the file in Windows Explorer.
Step 2.
From the list of files and folders,
click on the file icon you want to select. The file becomes highlighted. You can also select multiple files or folders by clicking on the first file you want to select, then press and hold down Ctrl key as you click on each file you want to select. Deselecting a file. To deselect a single file from the multiple file selection, hold down the Ctrl key and click on file you want to deselect. To deselect all files, click in an empty area within the folder.